Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to hide or unhide posts on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So to do it is quite simple. All you need to do is just open your Reddit account, and for example you want to hide any post, you just need to click on three dots on top of the posts and click on hide. So as you can see, I've hid a few posts. And now how to unhide them. And to do it is really easy. We need to click on our account icon in the top right corner and find history. And here in history we can see recent history, but if we click on recent history we can choose hidden, click on hidden history, and here we can see our hidden posts. So just click on three dots here and click on unhide posts. And here you go, this post was unhidden, and you can see it in your home page. As you can see, this post now for me is unhidden. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.